Okay, we're going to look at the Canvas website on Instructure, and we're going to go to the calendar right down here. Just need to click on it. It'll have all your classes on the side and on the calendar. But let's say we want to add our own. So we'd go down to the day, let's say the 17th. Okay, we're just going to click on that day, and we're going to go to My To Do, just like on My To Do list. So I call my homework laundry. I need to do my laundry for my IP&P class. It's due at 7, so let's start it at 6. Details. Finish your homework. Very important. Then scroll down. We're going to hit the Submit button. And then if you look there on the 17th, you have your own color for what you need to do, and it comes up to finish your homework.